Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanilla Arts, and this is what we're talking about today is the Baktus. Baktus is something in between the shawl and a scarf with triangular end. As you can see, has been nicely done. Here, straight and forward like that, and I have used this little doll as well to make the handles. This little doll, as you can see, goes through inside and then comes out from the other side, and so it's like this. I have stitched it at the back nicely. This is the second strand, second strap, also done in the same yarn, which is a multicolored yarn. As you can see, it has got colors of pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, light blue, even more like turquoise color, pink, bright pink, and the colors are just so amazing, and I love how it turned out. This is fantastic. I love the edging of this Baktus, this piece, how it's ended up being, and it's so soft as well. It's comfortable. It's something you wrap around your neck to keep you warm, or if you want to, you can use it as a pareo. When you go on the beach, you know, at the beach, you can wear it. You could even wear it as a top. You can wear it as a bra, as a skirt, as a pareo on the beach. Yeah, all sorts. Just use your imagination, and this will be fantastic to wear. So the beginning of work started. It has begun from here at this edge here, 6 loops, and then from 6 loops you add at the right and at the left about 1 loop on each side, so 2 extra loops you add from both sides, and the shawl starts to grow from this much to so much, and it grows to your desired length, and I think it's lovely. I love it. I love the color. I love the multicolored relief you get in here. It's so smooth and gentle and just nice and stunning and lovely. I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to do even a hat for this one, for this little shawl Baktus, or scarf if you call it like that. Yeah, you can do a hat. I will do a hat in this yarn, and hopefully it will be like a set that I can wear it together. I'm going to wear this on the second channel, on my main channel Anna Vanilla, where I show all the pieces that I make and I wear them for you to see, and I absolutely love this one. It's amazing. I need to wash it as well. It's absolutely, it's really fantastic. I mean, nobody else would ever have something as similar as this, not even exactly as this, because even multicolored yarn, even anything else, it will never look the same. You don't. And of course, even if you do the same yarn, the same size, it will never look the same. Anything done by hand, anything handcrafted, any craft that is done by hand will never look the same. It's always unique, and this is the case where we can talk about the fact that it will be only like yours, only like you have. Nobody else would ever have exactly or even similar to something like this. So if you want to be unique, the knitting is a way to go. If you want to be unique, if you learn this craft of knitting, you'll be able to look stunning, absolutely different from the crowd, and you're going to feel and look fantastic and original, and something like this would just brighten up your appearance and would make you be and stylish and warm. After all, it's obviously a shawl or a scarf for using around the neck when it's cold outside. So it's fantastic. I love it. I hope you loved it as well. I hope you've seen it well here. I showed you like this. Of course, this table isn't that big, but I did my best to show you the piece clearly and to talk about to you. And this creation was finished a while ago, but I decided to make a video now for it so that you can see something on my channel and subscribe. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and I'm sending to you all my love, and always please enjoy knitting. If you don't know how to knit, start again, start once again and again until you do it rightly, until you get used to doing the knitting better and better each time. So this would just become a new craft and a new hobby for yourself. Why not? And will make you look different and original and spiced up, and you will look different from the crowd. And this is just such a fantastic feeling when you know nobody else has something that you are wearing, and you will feel fantastic, not just stylish but warm too. So thank you very much for subscribing, and I love you all. Love and peace for you everyone, and please subscribe. Please watch both of my channels, even the other my channel, my main channel, Anna Vanila. You can subscribe. You can subscribe to Anna Vanila Arts, which is this channel where I show how I produce, how I make my own pieces, my own fashion style, because I'm just a craft addict. I just love, especially knitting. It's just one of those things that I cannot live without, because I have to knit every single day, and here it is. I always do something new, and so I'm doing these new videos for you all to enjoy it and watch it. So thank you very much for everything. Please leave a comments, and I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.